Casa de Lagoa is a weekend residence for a family who lives in the capital and found this nautical condominium a refuge in the middle of nature. To create privacy for the family, 5 sliding panels were created that make it possible to create open or closed spaces on the ground floor in different situations, whether to have a more intimate moment with family and friends or to control the incidence of the sun. The interior architecture design solves more specific needs of the family and translates its personality throughout all environments. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.